the gym like this. Hello my beautiful queens, welcome back to my channel. Today is another Shefit haul. I haven't done a Shefit haul in some time, so I got two new styles that I have never tried before. I'm really excited to try them with you, so be sure to stick around and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're all about body positivity, confidence, wellness, and overall the journey. What I love about Shefit is that they always give us a baggie where we can put in our bras or panties so they don't get mixed around in the laundry, so it's a plus for me. Seamless leggings. Beautiful ombre color of a blue, dark navy at the bottom. Has that hug seamless material. Has that Shefit print on here on the back. It's actually really nice. And this looks pretty small. Okay, I went to the 2 Luxe. This is the biggest size that they carry, so I'm a little nervous because your girl gained some weight, okay? Gained some weight, not gonna lie. We already know that. We already know that. But I'm a little nervous about it, but it looks really, really comfortable. Just look at that. With these seamless leggings, I got a matching bra. This is the matching bra. I've never tried this bra before, so it's the first impressions. And this is a size 4 Luxe. I was gonna go a size up, but I'm like, no, my bras currently fit me at 4 Luxe, but I did gain weight, so I don't know. But I'm going with 4 Luxe. We're gonna give it a shot and see. But my first impressions of it, it's gonna be a little snug, but I think that's the form of the material. This material and just Shefit in general with the bras, they are gonna feel smaller, they're gonna feel snugger. So just keep that in mind whenever you're purchasing a sports bra from Shefit, it's gonna feel smaller. As far as the detachable strap here that you can take off, and then you can adjust to how high you want it, how loose you want it, excuse me. You cannot crisscross with the seamless one, so what I love about the original one from the knockout one is I can crisscross it and just do a crossover. This one you cannot do anything in the back, but it does have a stylish back. So if you guys can see how stylish the back is. And this is the seamless. Right now, that the 4X for me right now, with the seamless style, I don't know if it's gonna close. It's snug. Okay. This part is where it's snug. Like this part feels great. Feels comfortable. This is a light weight sports bra. This feels amazing here. I'm not gonna lie, it feels amazing. Maybe just need to wear it a little bit. Because if I did a 5 Luxe, it probably would go digging in here, and I wouldn't want that. All right, let's try on the leggings. Like, it doesn't feel horrible. Actually feels comfortable. I'm only feeling it snug like here, just exactly here. This is where it's like kind of digging in, but the rest like feels fine. And because it doesn't have that, you know, band, this is more of like just material laying, it's gonna roll. It's gonna roll when you have lonjas and your stomach's bigger, it's gonna roll. So let's try on the pants. Oh my god, they fit. I'm like thinking this bitch is not gonna fit. All right. Or like they have a piece, like this piece right here, like sticks out. I have this sewn over so that material in there doesn't, you know, point at you. Be on the lookout for something like this. If you see this, that's not how it's supposed to be. See how this one is sewn properly, everything is covered, there's nothing sticking out. That's how you're supposed to get it, with nothing coming out. So this and this one, we can tell that that one just wasn't made right. So here is a quick rate on these leggings. I love how smooth they are. I love the fit. As far as the length, it's a good length for me, and I'm 4'9". I'm a short girl, so I love the length. The fit feels so smooth. The length is amazing. The only issue I have is that I am a big girl and I have a bigger stomach. I consider myself a pear on my stomach, okay? Don't get it twisted. Elena's like, oh, you're a tomato shape because you're round, which is true, okay? But I'm like this shape, like aquí y luego big. When I have this on and I see it, the seamless part is meant to be for people that are flatter, or that doesn't have a lot of here, because it's like pushing on to here and then it like pushes here and then it like has the big boom boom. And I'll show you, because you can't really see it right now, but you'll see it when I go to the side. You see that? You see that? Like doom boom doom. Which I'm not mad about it because I like the feeling of it, but I don't know. Maybe I'll wait a little bit to wear it. But you can see when I'm going like this. If you don't got a whole lot of this, then these are the leggings for you. But if you have a whole lot of this like me, they feel really comfortable. So I have to be willing to be okay, which I am and not in a way. You have to be willing to be okay with it being. What do you ladies think? What do you think? Yes, no? Like, I like how it hugs me, pero también, like, I don't know. It just feels so different to me. Like, Shefit, you did me wrong with this one, but I forgive you because you know I love you, okay? So it is what it is for this one. Now let's try on the other ones. Let's try on the ones. Deluxe 4. They haven't stopped doing that. They always have measuring tapes with the bag, which I have a crap ton of them. This is great to have when your size bra changes, because you know it always changes. And for those of you guys that don't know, I used to work at Victoria's Secret, so I know how to size. If you guys want me to do a video about how to size, let your girl know in the comments below, but we can definitely do that. This is the 4 Luxe bra. This is so great because you can pull this and adjust it however you want. You have a crisscross back. You can remove from crisscross and make just the standard straps. The great thing about this is that you have the zipper here, and then you have your hooks inside. So you have about 2 hooks. So you have this hook here, and you have this one up here. When you're good, strap it on, zipper it, bring it down, close it up. Adorable color. Here's the band of the bra. The band of the bra, you can make it as big here, so that makes your size a lot bigger. So if you need it bigger, or if this is way too big, you can tighten it up. Super adorable. Look, oh my gosh, I'm gonna love these 2 colors. But look at these shorts. They feel so nice. Like, I haven't even put them on yet, and they feel really, really nice. The material feels stretchy, good quality, and we have the scrunch booty. Also got the shirt where you put the bra straps in here so your back can show. You can show the straps. Isn't that cool? I thought that was pretty cool. Do I think it's worth the price for what it is for a shirt like this? Like, I don't know, because they are pretty pricey for a shirt that you need to wear with the bras. But you know, I'm like, why not give it a shot? Shout out to everybody that has used my referral code, because without you, I wouldn't be able to get these bras. You guys made that happen. If you ladies have purchased Shefit bras using my referral code, thank you so much, because I was able to get these new styles I haven't gotten a little bit, and it's all on you. And if you decide that you wanna, you know, do reviews, get your own referral code. Get your referral code and, you know, make videos and just share with everyone your experience with Shefit, because not everybody's gonna have the same experience. and get yourself your points so you can get some more Shefit. And if not, share your girl's code as well so I can spread the love. I would love to do a giveaway for a bra. So I think that's in my intentions for coming up, because I didn't know that I was able to even redeem my points. I honestly can't afford doing, getting the bras all the time. So when I saw that, I was like, oh my gosh, lifesaver. So I would love to do a giveaway for you guys. So just let you guys know if you're for it. Put it in the comment sections, like we can do that. So yeah, this is adorable here. I think it's cute. Do I think it's worth the price? I don't know, but we'll find out. But so pretty. If you're into roses, this is like amazing. Look how cute it is. 4 Lux. So this is a 4 Lux. Okay. This is a 6 Lux. Now this is the one. This is what happens whenever I try something new, okay? When I try something new, it doesn't work forever, and I love it. This is the maximum support Shefit bra. I love it. It doesn't do me wrong. I'm still at 4 Lux, which is awesome, by the way. I feel good about that. So definitely 4 Lux covers me up well. Remember, you have to adjust the straps in the back, which it looked a little tight in the back earlier, but because I had to loosen it up. Something about a new sports gear Shefit just gives you, these feel so nice. These feel so nice. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, these feel so nice. I didn't think I was gonna have this reaction. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Booty. Love that, beauty, licious, but it's fine with me. It's fine with me. But just see that. Oh my gosh, this is so comfortable. I like this. Okay, I should have got these shorts instead of those leggings. I should have got like 2 of these or 3 of these. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, nothing ripped. I didn't hear anything. I am so surprised. Why am I so surprised? Why? I don't know. I don't know why I'm surprised with these shorts, but these shorts are amazing. Put it over top. This is the shirt. And then instead, I believe we put it through here, put it through here. Ooh, okay. Put it through the, ooh, out. Okay. Oh, okay. So if you're not feeling that you want to just do a bra, you can do one of these. What do you ladies think? I'm usually not like a flowy type of gal. I would probably wrap this up. I'm not gonna lie. I will wrap this up in the middle, and that's how I would wear it. versus it being flowy. I don't know why I'm like that, but. So I'm not super fan of the top. I think it's an awesome idea of, you know, having it attached here to the bra and you have the back to show. If you want something to cover up, if you're not confident yet to just be in a sports bra in the gym, get the shirt, great, so you can show the back, because I think it's so worth it showing the back. But if you are confident enough to be in a sports bra in the gym, you don't need the shirt. I feel like it just doesn't make the outfit look complete. I feel like without the top, you can make this your own, feeling confident, not needing it. But that's just me. But if you want it, definitely go for it. But for me, let's do without the top. we don't need her. You're comfortable and you're soft, but we don't need you, okay? We're gonna rock the gym like this with confidence. Trust me, babes, you're gonna rock it with confidence. Thank you, my beautiful queens, for joining me in this Shefit review. I had so much fun trying these on with you. Now, you know, your girl is so ready. I feel so confident with this outfit that I'm wearing, and I'm just like, you definitely need these shorts. Like, these shorts are amazing, and you know, it's just the perfect length that it's not going all the way up into your panocha, you know, your papaya and your booty. It gives you that enough length above the knee, which is great. But like, I'm just the type of person that, like, I really want to feel comfortable when I work out, and these shorts feel freaking amazing. So they are my favorite. Out of my little mini haul today, this outfit here is my favorite. You let me know which one's your favorite. If you like this one the best, this more of this royal blue, or if you like more of this sea blue, which I think it's like a sea blue but ombre. Let me know in the comments which one you like the best. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, and if you enjoyed my content, don't forget to subscribe, because we are all beautiful queens and we are about loving ourselves, embracing the journey, improving ourselves each and every day. We'll do a Shefit bra giveaway, so don't forget to share this with other beautiful queens that might be interested in a Shefit bra. Number one, you, if you're interested in a Shefit bra, be sure to like, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, my queens.